So Tom, one of the hottest questions we get all the time is really about SAP and their indirect access issue. And really, what can organizations do to be prepared to understand if they have indirect access risks or vulnerabilities?
Yeah, so I think when you think about the topic of indirect access, to me it's just a licensing term. It's a type of consumption that, we talked about everything being to do with capturing and understanding consumption and taking a holistic view. But it's also seen as a technicality, right? It's this view of, okay, should I really be paying for users that are on another system just because there's an access point into an SAP system? And actually there's broader use cases than just SAP, where integrating systems together.
This is going to impact IoT, right? It's going to impact cloud-to-cloud integration, or cloud-to-mainframe, or hybrid, or back to an SAP system.
Yeah, even open source, right? In there, you put an open source component in, it can change the entire dynamic. So I think for me, it comes from two pieces. One is, as we look to sort of, go to SAP and other vendors and say, how are you going to step up and help your customers to understand how they're driving consumption and what they're doing? And then secondly, working with the end customers to make sure they are capturing that complete view. Yeah. As we look at SAP capabilities, that's one of the key things that we try and do. Not just look at user-based licensing and engines and their industry solutions, et cetera, but really to take a look at indirect access and think through, okay, what is generating your consumption? How are you looking at that? And really try and build that in as early in the process for a company as possible, because one of the main challenges is they find about indirect usage after the fact.
Yes.
The integration is built, the other product is there and it's fully integrated, and then suddenly it's, oh, now I found out because of what I did. It's much like moving the hardware to the cloud situation, right? So forewarned is foretold from our perspective. So we try and capture that information and work both with ISVs, customers, our technology, and our partners to make sure people really do have that complete proactive view.
So the bottom line is, by having that transparency and usage, people will actually make much more informed decisions.
Absolutely.